Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja, and in today's video we have a question. We are given m dot m dot m, that is m cube, by m plus m plus m, that is 3m, is equal to 6, right? And we need to solve it for m. Okay, so how will we proceed? Okay, since this is a cubic equation, we will have three values of m. Okay, so I will first write it as m cube by 3m is equal to 6, right? So, and I can write it as m cube is equal to 18m, right? Cross multiplying, and after that I can write it as m cube minus 18m is equal to 0. If I take m common, I will get m square minus 18 is equal to 0, right? And it gives us two solutions, that m is equal to 0 or m square minus 18 is equal to 0, right? But m is equal to 0 is not valid solution. Why? We will discard this. Why? Because if you substitute m equal to 0 here, you will get undefined form. Okay, so this solution is not valid. Now we will take m square minus 18 as 0, which will give m square is equal to 18, that is m is equal to plus minus 3 under root 2, right? Because what is 18? 18 is equal to what? 18 is equal to 2 times 3 square, that is 3 under root 2. Okay, so first value is m is equal to 3 under root 2 and second value is m is equal to minus 3 under root 2. And now we will verify this solution, okay, whether it is correct or not. So our equation is m cube by 3m, right, which is actually equal to, what is m cube? M cube is 27 times 2 root 2, right? 3m, 3 times 3 root 2, right? When you will cancel out this, what will you get? 3 times 2 is 6, and that was our right hand side, right? Okay, and after this you can try substituting minus 3 under root 2 as well. You will guess minus 3 under 2 whole cube by 3 times minus 3 under root 2, right? This is equal to 27, minus of 27 times 2 root 2 by minus of 9 root 2. Minus minus cancel out, and when you solve it you get 6, which is the right hand side. So hence both solutions are valid, and we have two solutions for this equation, and I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.